So today I am reviewing this USB-C laptop charger. It is a 65-watt USB-C laptop charger. So let's go ahead and take a closer look.
So, as I'm unboxing this, I'm just going to tell you some of the features about it. So, honestly, if you're looking for a reliable replacement charger for your HP laptop or actually any USB-C laptop, this 65-watt charger might be exactly what you want. So, it has genuine HP compatibility. It's designed as a true replacement for HP chargers. It works with the HP Chromebooks, the ProBooks, EliteBooks, and more. So just double check your model, but compatibility is solid. It has universal USB charging, not just for HP, but it also works with Lenovo, Dell, Samsung, and pretty much any USB laptop. So here I'm testing it with my HP, but I'm also going to show you me testing it with my Dell computer as well. So it's really great if you switch devices or share chargers with someone else. It has fast 65-watt charging, which is a great benefit. This refuels your laptops noticeably quicker than basic or older adapters. It's really portable, lightweight, and compact, and it works perfectly for me. And I think that this is a great replacement if you're looking for a charger for your laptop.